Ever wondered how AI and Excel can transform your life? Meet my productivity dream team.
Hi, I'm Ava Lane, your AI implementation architect. I'm here to help leaders harness the power of AI to simplify decision-making and supercharge their teams.
I'm Max Carter, Microsoft MVP and your go-to Excel guru. From pivot tables to mind-blowing data hacks, I make Excel work harder so you don't have to.
I'm Aiden Swift, AI engineer, and your hack specialist for all the latest in AI tools and news. Let's make AI your secret weapon for productivity.
At Don't Get Mad, Get Skills, your productivity partners, we help you unlock your true potential. Ready to level up? Follow us to start your journey today. And remember, don't get mad, get skills.